Wait.
If you ban LLLLLLLs, we will go on strike and flip tables until you let them return. But you didn't say you'd ban L underscore? L underscore? L underscore? L underscore?
I can't ban L underscore because that's Yoshi. Okay? And I need a name tag because this needs to be for Link. It's a baby black kitty. He would love it. Look at it. And we got it on the one and only night this year so far that he has taken off. So that's his kitty. So we need a name tag like now. Do I have the mod on here? Or find a spawner chest? Well, you better get to fishing, or I can make a librarian and level it up really fast, all the way up, no matter what the cost, before this baby grows up. So we gotta run. We gotta run. How long do I have? How long till it grows up? Like 10 minutes or something? 7 o'clock. I have 20 minutes? Oh, hot diggity. Okay, 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Okay, what do I do? What do I do? Oh my god, am I running? New poll. Will she make it happen? Okay. It's gonna be you, dude. Yes. Oh my god, that's what you're gonna give me? A bunch of crap? Okay. Okay. 20 minutes. Okay. 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 I need paper. And I need emeralds. Oh my god. We can do this. Okay. Gotta level it all the way up. We'll just take whatever we can get. Where's my emeralds? I swear to god I'm moving so slow. Okay. I take them all. Stop the meowing. Thank you for the bits. Okay, what do we have in here? What are you? Are you something? Okay. Paper. This is the best day ever. Oh my goodness. Wait, I'm not picking it up. Do I need all of this? No, I got enough. Did I pick it all up? Oh shit. What the? Get out of here. I don't need you. What? Oh god. Okay, I'm getting dizzy. Take your time. Get a name tag. And breed the 2 black cats together. 100% guaranteed. Oh, no, it has to be that one. Okay, don't make me laugh. It's making me dizzy.
Panic faster, sin, you're losing time.
Shit. Wait, is there another cat? Oh, no, that was dirt. That was dirt. Oh, shit. Okay. Standing there, not going. Oh my god, I'm just standing here. Okay. Oh my god, seriously, I'm so dizzy right now. I wouldn't tell him. Okay. Wait. I gotta pause. You may need to eat some. I need to eat for sure. That's why I'm dizzy, because I need to eat. Okay.
Woo! Rex, guys.
We wouldn't tell him you name tagged the 20th black kitty. You had to breathe because we couldn't name tag it in time. Yes, you would. You would so tell him. Thank you for all the bits. Okay. All right. Here. Take this job. Take this. Are you kidding me? Come on. You gotta give me something. Don't stand in front of my axe, you dumbass. Here. Take a job. Are you kidding me? What? What? Are you kidding me right now? What? Huh? Are you kidding me? Okay. Oh, I gotta level you all the way up. Oh, shit. This is gonna take a while. I've been running her. Oh, no. I can't level this up so fast. Wait, where do I put the stuff? Wait a minute. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, come on. I can't open it. Okay.
Tick/tock/tick/tock/ you got this sin.
Oh yeah. Okay. I need my books. I've got books. I need a book. I'm gonna buy lots of those. I can buy lots of those. I'm sorry. I'm not seeing what you guys are saying. I appreciate you. Thank you for all the bits. What am I looking for? Oh shit! I fell. Oh my god! Could you imagine? Okay, listen. Just okay. I see Jug's slow ass clapping. Rude. Okay, all I gotta say is... What?
This kitty is going to have grandchildren and be a distant memory by the time she gets this shit done. OMG. Just go fishing, Sin.
I'm not fishing. I'm doing it the right way. I'm not fishing. Look, it's already leveled up 1. Give me another one. What's the Oh my god, and I got Smite 5 on top of it? Oh my god, are you kidding me right now? This is I don't even know. I'm in love. I love this
What is
villager.
even going on right now?
I don't know,
L
but...
underscore? L underscore? L underscore?
I don't know.
L underscore? L underscore? L underscore? L underscore? L underscore?
I need more paper. I need more paper. What the fuck? Okay. Oh, I could buy a lot of these and level you up. That's cheap. Okay, go all the way up. And then I'm going to have no money for name tags. Ooh, I could use these too. Buy some lanterns for emeralds. You just need to unlock...
OMG, never in my life have I ever seen such Minecraft buffoonery.
Efficiency 5!
How have you made it past day 1?
Wait a minute!
I just can't.
This is I can't. Vegas. Oh my god. Are you seeing this? This is the most cracked villager we've ever had. Look at this. Prot 4, Smite 5, Efficiency 5. This is like, okay. And Punch too. I'm gonna buy every single book from this guy. He's got every book I could want. Like, really. Like, what? Okay, I have feathers.
Put the axe away. Don't pull a link.
Oh my god, could you imagine if I killed this guy? Of all guys, this is the crackedest guy I've ever had. That's not a word. What am I here for? Feathers. Oh my god, I've got a lot of feathers too. I could sell the books. I thank you for all the bits, guys. I'm gonna get out.
Okay, settle down, settle down. She's going to leave the gate open one night and this villager will be a legend after a baby zombie eats his brains.
Listen. Oh my god. Take it easy, guys. Take it easy. We got this. We know we got this.
Hurry, just subscribed. Abby Will 23 gifted a tier 1 sub to hurry.
No,
they have
Abby,
given 48
you did not.
gift subs in the channel.
Wait, what am I doing? How do I make the... Oh no, I need ink. I can't make the book. Shit. That foils that plan. Okay. Shit. I got this. We gotta get the first. We gotta get the first one. No, go away. Is he still a baby? Wait, if we're out of the chunks. Wait. Iron. Do we have iron here? Do we have iron? Do we have the iron? Please not. Oh my god. Stop pushing me. I'm sorry, I'm missing what you're saying.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What am I doing? I need all the emeralds. I need all the emeralds. Go away. Oh my god, you have no light in here? You're gonna die. Okay. Oh shit. How much longer do I have? Oh my god, I only have like 5 more minutes or something? Like 7 minutes maybe? Let me in. Can you imagine if I died doing this? Imagine if I lost the world because of I'm trying to get this stupid cat. Where's the other guy? There's 4 of you. Oh, there you are. Okay. Excuse me. There's no creepers here. There's no creepers. I'm running. This one or the other one? There's another one. It's up here. Okay, I'm totally missing all of chat. I'm so sorry. Wait, where is it? Here it is. And you're just waiting?
Out of Ink just subscribed. Zionico gifted a tier 1 sub to Out of Ink. They have given 144 gift subs in the channel.
Thank you. Elizabeth, I'm kind of busy. What's up?
I'm going to bed.
What? Okay. Shit. I have to pause this. Hold on, guys. Oh my god, she just said sleep? I'm not yeah, but it's just gonna make him grow up. Okay, listen. Thank you guys for all the bits and everything. Okay. Elizabeth just told me not to do an all-nighter. She said, please don't do an all-nighter. I'm like, okay. I wasn't going to, but okay. Oh my God. Can you... I have to sleep. You're right. Marsha's right. I can't buy anything from this guy. Get on my bed. Oh, shit. I hit him. Oh, no. I hit him.
24-hour stream? Keck.
Flip. Oh, wait. My prices are still down. Okay. But they're not reset. Okay. Please. The hell are we listening to now? Really? Okay. Ooh, Corin. Thank you so much. Look at that little gift badge. I have to get the bits badges up there. We have bits badges. Where am I going?
Can you imagine an all-nighter of this nonsense? I know I can.
Not gonna happen. Why aren't you resetting? Okay, what other books do we need? Okay, I need one of these. Did I get one of those? Yes. Okay. Don't have ink. Don't need that. Oh, I need a lot of these, but there's 60 flippin' one. Dude. I didn't raise anything. Why won't he reset? Why? Okay. Got it. Got it. Got it. Okay. 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 I don't... Okay. Are we naming it Link Jr.? Wait. Are we naming it Link Jr.? Or are we going to name it like, a name that he likes? Like, I don't know, Mew or Zelda, or... We need to name it Link Jr., right? Name it I failed. I didn't fail. Name it Linda. Linda. It's not on the kitty yet. It's not a fail yet. The cat is growing. Okay.
The cat is growing. Just subscribed. Abby Will 23 gifted a tier 1 sub to The Cat is Growing.
Linda
They have
Z.
given 49 gift subs in the channel.
Linkaroo, that's what I call him. It's going to Linkaroo. Linkaroo number 2? Why is it number 2? Are you trolling me? Linkaroo. Are you kidding me right now? Bunch of flippin' flappin' trolls. Oh my god, it's nighttime again? Is this the second night? Please be a kitty. Please be a kitty. Look at that. Look at that. You are now Linkaroo. Well, it's about effing time.
You did it!
Oh my god, it's literally 20 minutes. Actually, it's 7:20 right now. It was like 7:01. It was like 7:01 when I was looking at the time when we started this. It took me 19 minutes to do that. It took, it took you 10 minutes to figure out what the hell you were doing. Come on, that was all for content, please. Please. I got my shit together. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, so let me go through this activity feed here because so much happened that I couldn't see. Abby, thank you for the gifted sub to The Cat is Growing. Nico, thank you for the bits. Corin for the bits. Nico, thank you for the sub to Out of Ink. Abby, thank you for the sub to Hurry, Hurry, Hurry. I don't even remember that one happening. Thank you so much. Vegas, more bits. Corin, more bits. Vegas, more bits. Gamer bits. Robka bits. Vegas bits. XP bits. Holy crap, you guys. Thank you so much for all the bits. All of them. There's bits all over the place. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you all. Okay, thank you for the follow. Zeta, what? It could have been done in 9 minutes if you didn't run around like a headless chicken for 10 minutes.